Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles to I'm Zans. Wednesday evening, we will have 2 episodes today. The channel is steadily growing, 250 subscribers, but we get over 1k views per episode, which is kind of disappointing, but what can I do?
Oh, damn, I just got a new device. Let's go. Wait, who the hell are you? What are you doing here?
Who the hell are you, man?
What you mean? It's me.
You?
It's me. You don't remember me?
I don't recognize you, man.
I just got a new device. What you talking about? I'm trying to log in.
Nah, back the fuck up, man. You intruder. Back the fuck up.
Wait, it's me. Why don't you understand? It's me.
Nah, who the fuck are you, man?
It's me.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? You're not recognizable right now, man.
My name is Tyrone. Look at me. You remember my face? I'm Tyrone. I just got a new device. I'm trying to log in.
No, we're your old device, man.
What you mean? I threw it away. I don't have it no more.
Well, you can't answer, man. Error. You can't come in, man.
Bro, just let me in, bro.
I can't do that, man. You don't got your old device. You can't even prove it. That's
I threw it away. Can't you just look it up in the system?
Nah, try again later. We do not know you, man.
You know me.
We do not know you, man.
I just got
So prove that I know you. I don't know you, man.
Just look at my face.
Nah, you can't log in, man. Not today.
I just got a new device. I'm just trying to go into Safari, man. Just let me go, please.
Pack it. You
please.
Can't. No, you
Oh, I'm
can't.
trying to get my information so I can show you.
Nah, I don't recognize you, man.
I'm going.
No, you can't go nowhere. You can't. Back up, man. Go back home.
Hi, my name's Alicia and this is my daughter Harriet. She's 9. We are applying for the £10,000 off TikTok and we're going to give you a couple of reasons why we think we'd be good applicants. Harriet was actually born blind, so firstly a really important thing for us to do would be to get her a guide dog, as you quite frequently have accidents, don't you, darling?
Yeah. And
she gets hurt quite a lot. She also has a stutter, so speech is something that she struggles with, so maybe get, someone to work with her in that sense. That'd be really helpful, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Can you think of anything? Sorry, we needed a little bit of a break there. What would be the most important thing to you, Harry, if we did receive the money?
Probably a guide dog, because it would really help me out.
How would it help you?
To get a friend and help me walk around.
Do you not have any friends?
No, because I can't see any of them.
Well, that about wraps it up. I think we've given you a little bit of an insight to our situation and hopefully we win. Look at the screen and say bye-bye, Harriet. If you just look down a little bit and to the left. See you later, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Futsa ke na fa se mo we mmereko if o tswa itse re banna ba to dolwa ka lebaka la bona mabono we na se se ya ke dolo ke nyaka 10 rand ya ke bereke dikuno phone e tsimtse wa ha bolele a tshware di phone ja rena re mo phone ke re ke wetse ka re siliwa na mo tshutsa dro ke go ka nkoma ke tlo betha ka tlapeng wa ka wa a ke tsorwa change kalo wa tshwana le mama ra banna
What's up?
Yes, ya wa so reke koloi a una koloi o mo kreile ka koloi motho ka to phapha woman o mo kreile ka koloi woman apa no o tor phaphela ngwano ko phapha je Kunza akenya go bona mo bophelo baka wa ntore ke re a ke wa nkwadisa a ku nyaka
nna ka tshaba
Futsek fuck off nyana ba shaba nyana ba losisa focus a ke ba rate ba lenyana ba dia lore ke lose focus ai wa di eng o di mo le fase wa berekisana le Satan Chico o laola ke mosadi a ona ntlo ka ba wa mpoja Chico.
Okay.
Hey, ibile ba o yela Chico. He's so bon. Lebelela mo ne. It's in like this is 45 degrees. Ne? O ila e kitima abia di choka boots jai in 45 degrees.
Hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. Ushuti esinwela. I'm going to go.
Hola pile nkgo.
How say I think him woman.
Sega sa le ntsa go la pila ga ya go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Look.
A motlola so tla ba ga.
Hey, Bo. Utakula utathathwa kinamsi. Tazungwa ubulu msebenzi. Chef mtu hayi kanti. Mali makuthi. Esingaka isha bo. Kanqala ukubona umhlolo nje hayi nyaka. Ngibukho umshini ngiyaqala ukubona umhlolo. Ngiyaqala ngake ngibone ukuthi noma makuthuli. Mina ngithini mina? Angikwazi ilofu yonke. Mina mele ngithini? Bantu ngakubona. Ngabona lo yamfami yasidisipha kodwa hayi. Barimpo amoja brodo mare since ska. No.
Come on. Bestie. Oh, bestie. Ni. Boyfriend, how you hetile? Oh, bestie. Oh, bestie, banana. Oh, hetile futhi. Oh, bestie. When's it this time? Oh, problem uyena. Oh, bestie. You don't know ukuthi ufunani. Oh, bestie yami, bestie. Yeah. Enye futhi. Yeah, no. Okay. No, akuna matata, bestie. Let's get it done. Okay, bestie. Askis ne? Uzoba right ne? Yeah. Oh, but the skull say Sili ya kitchen say
Johnny, this is my first drink.
My name is Jennifer Mary Margaret Crane Hacking Hutchison, and this is my first drink. Jennifer Mary Margaret Crane Hacking Hutchison fucking. Oh, it's taking me fucking teeth out. Shit! I don't know what to do. I'm going to bed. Goodbye.
I'm Josh, and this is my first drink of the day.
I'm Brendan and this is the first drink of the day. Karma's a bitch. I should have known better.
Hi, my name is Karishma, and this is my first drink. Hi, my name is Karishma, this is my last drink.
That's a candle, mate.
Oh no.
Hi, my name is Stuart, and this is my first drink.
15 bottle of wine.
Excuse me, do you have a Band-Aid? Because I scraped my knee falling for you. Can I get your number for emergency contact?